You are in a meeting. A Power BI dashboard is on a screen. A top manager asks, what's the specific number for that bar? I see it decreased. You look at the number and you can read it. What you can do? You can admit that you can't read it. You can guesstimate. You can complain that there is a problem with Power BI report. But in current situation, it's not only Power BI problem. It's also your problem. Because you look unprepared to the meeting. If you've ever been in that situation, the video is for you. In Power BI, there is one feature that instantly fixes that issue. And in my experience, most of people have no idea it exists. Let's dive in. Here's the thing. Power BI already knows charts can be unreadable. That's why there is a feature built into every visual called Show as a Table. Let me show you. I'm looking at this messy chart right now. I need to find a specific number, but I can't read the labels. Here's what I do. I hover over the visual and right-click mouse. A menu drops down. Right here. Show as a table. I click it. Look at that. The same data from the chart is now clean, simple list. No overlapping labels. Not cut-off text. Just readable data. This takes 30 seconds and works on every visual in every report. Let me show you what this actually changes. Your manager asks why this bar is underperformed. Before you knew this, you are staring at a cluttered chart. You can't read the exact number. You say, it looks like they are down, I will double check and get back to you. You look unprepared. After you know this, you click the three dots, select Show as a Table, and in 3 seconds you see the exact number. And you say, it's down to 33%. We should dig into that. See the difference? You're not just reading data, you're analyzing it with confidence. No more waiting on IT. No more second guessing. No more panic. Here's the one thing that frustrates everyone. You click Show as a Table, see your data, and try to copy-paste it. But you can't. It looks like Excel, but it doesn't work like Excel. Here's why. Show as a Table is a view, like a window into your data. You can see through it, but you can't grab it. So if you need to actually work with the numbers, use same 3 dots menu and different button, Export Data. That gives you a real Excel file that you can copy, sort, and manipulate. 2 buttons, 2 purposes. Show as a Table for quick verification, and Export Data for deeper work. Know which tool to use, and the frustration disappears. Think about that meeting at the very beginning. Manager asks you about the numbers. Power BI is unreadable. Everyone is waiting. The old you panics and says, I will follow you up. But the new you use 3 dots to show as a table or to export to the Excel file. And respond with confidence. Before you close the video, please open any Power BI report and test it by yourself. And the most important, the next time, use it.